Welcome back everyone to another video. We've got another LUXMAN project here. This is a DZ-111 CD player. Got this cheap off eBay for like $30. The tray doesn't work apparently. I don't know if there's anything else wrong with this unit. But I decided to take a gamble on it because A, we can try and fix this in case anyone else has an issue with one of these CD players, but I really need the CD transport unit out of this, which is used in a lot of other LUXMANs that are much higher end than this unit. So we're either going to be able to save this or we're going to find something else wrong with it. I'm not exactly sure. I'm hoping it's just a belt or something and it's pretty straightforward, but let's get stuck into it anyway and see what we've got ourselves into. So the unit does power up. The screen is actually very nice, no issues there, but the tray just makes a noise. Nothing is working. No bueno. It looks quite simple to remove though. It looks like 3 screws and some wires because the CD transport's like a module, and we'll take it out. There are 2 connectors here that are identical and you must get them the right way around. Don't ask me how I know that. Anyway, let's get this out and see what we're dealing with. So I've been screwing around with this for a while, just trying to work out how to get this open. For something where the belt has failed, it's latched really good, and I finally figured it out. It was just trying not to damage anything, but anyway. So we've got all the bits here that came out of the tray. You've just got to remove the front cover to get the CD transport out. There's 3 screws that hold it in, 5 connectors, and a partridge in a pear tree. To get this tray open, you need to manually rotate the tray gear. And if you look in there, it's a bit hard to get on camera. You can see a large white gear there. And if you can nudge that with a flat blade screwdriver, you can get this tray to release manually. And you just got to give it a few rotations. And you just, once it starts moving, then you can move it by hand like that. And I can already tell that this belt is porked. And I think we can remove this tray if we release the latches as well. Oh, no. There was another trick you had to do here. You got to take this off as well, if I remember correctly. So remove this clip here, and then there's 2 tabs that stop the tray from being removed, here and here. So get those out. Ta-da! Look at that. So overall, this CD unit actually looks to be in really good condition. This is that gear I was talking about that you need to rotate, so you can sort of get a flat blade screwdriver in from underneath the tray, and you can, careful not to damage it by the way, give it a nudge to release the tray. And you can see how destroyed that belt is. So it's been like that for a long time. I actually do have another belt for this. that is also worn out, but you can see the difference between them. Now, if we measure this belt, I'm assuming it is very elongated. Let's have a look. So if I just put a bit of tension on it, not too much, we're up to about 50 mil. So yeah, that's pretty crap, because I think this one from memory is around 40 something. And this is from the same type of transport. So yeah, this is about 44. So that belt has stretched a lot, but even this belt was slipping in another unit, so we're not going to be using that either. So what do we do? Well, these belts are expensive. I found them on eBay, and they're about $26 or something, and they're overseas, so you've got to pay like $30 shipping. So like $50, $60, something around there to get one of these belts. Screw that. So this is my idea. These are O-rings. They're not your sort of square shape, which fits in the pulley better, but I think they will still do the job. So I went looking through my stash of O-rings, and I've got this one, which is about 42. Not saying that is the actual size, but something around there. You can buy like a pack of assorted O-rings and try and find something that fits. And I believe that this one is probably going to fit pretty nicely. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's got quite good tension on it. And yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. I'm not going to go any bigger, not going to go any smaller, and we'll just see if it works. Now, why do I want this CD transport? Well, this has the KSS152A laser module. And this laser module is still possible to find, but all the sellers on eBay are selling the KSS210A as this unit, and they are not the same. The 152 has brass bushings, and it's an all-metal construction with the actual laser module itself. So it is a higher end unit, but people try to pass off the 210 as the same, and it is not, from the research I've done and looking at the pictures on eBay. But this unit looks very good. I'm not seeing any real issues. There's no over oiling. I mean, it could do with a bit of grease in a few locations, but I think we'll test it first before we mess around with that and see if it actually works. So yeah, let's get this unit back in and see what happens. Okay, so moment of truth. Not much invested in this either way. Still turns on. It's a good sign. Hey, look at that. Open. Excellent. I have a CD here. I'm not a CD person, so don't judge on my test CD. Please spin. Please. Ooh, Okay. That was quick. All right, all right, all right. 3 tracks. Yeah, that's right. 3 tracks. Play. Hey, look at that. It works. How do you... That took a little while to jump tracks, but it's working, I guess. Probably needs a calibration, but yeah. Hey, it works. For like 10 cents, we've got this up and running again. So how about that? This CD transport is used in a lot of LUXMAN CD players. So if you have one that is not ejecting, it's worth having a look to see if it's got the same CD transport. Odds are it'll have a similar belt either way. And you can probably fix it for a similar amount of money, basically nothing. Just be very careful screwing around in here. This is all mains up here, so don't have this plugged in while you've got it open. And watch out for laser radiation. Ooh, laser radiation. Anyway, this unit is not going... I'm not going to try calibrating it because I'm not intending on keeping this. I just want this CD transport for a higher end unit, which will be in a follow-up video. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little one. Got this revived, and yeah, maybe this will help someone try to get their CD player fixed from LUXMAN. And I'll see you in the next video.